trying to go to work and there's a train. Look at this guy. Where are you going? He's all happy. He's all like, where's he gonna go? Dude, you have nowhere to go. You're all happy about going to that train. How long is the train? This is 2917, which is an interesting looking house. Right? Look at that. I'm gonna take a picture of it. Where you going? Let's find the rooster. Let's find the rooster now. Let's find the rooster. Let's find the rooster now. There's the rooster. There's the rooster. There's the rooster. There's all of the roosters. What's going on? How many roosters are there? Oh my god. Ah! How many roosters are there? It's for the birds, I said. It's for the birds. Where are y'all going? Where are all the roosters going? Where are they going now? Hey, look! They're hanging out by the seafood place. If this was in smell-o-vision, I'm gonna sneeze, but you don't need to. You don't need to see that. You don't need to see the sneezing. You don't need to see the sneezing. When the rooster crows at the break of dawn. Look out, mama, 'cause I'll be gone. We'll just go in circles, it'll be fun. When I go around in circles, I'm gonna fly high like a bird up in the sky. Rooster. Oh my god, rooster rocks. Hello, little doggy. The dog's like, don't fuck with the rooster, that's my rooster. And that's, what is this? What's that already? What's happening here? What's happening now? What's going on here? What's going on now? Tree. Floor.